Are you exhausted?
Hey guys, it's like 3 in the morning, and I'm getting ready so I can go to New York.
Like,
This is
good?
Josiah. This is the photographer of the family. And we are in New York. I just got here. It's my second time, and I'm excited, and I'm yelling, and it's obnoxious.
She's actually not really yelling.
No, I'm not yelling at all. Alright, so this is the hostel that I'm staying in. There's Josiah in the hostel that I'm staying in. It's decent. Like, it was a good price. It's not like, you know, like a 5-star hotel, but it is very nice for what it is. So I'm in my room now, and I'm really tired, and I'm probably gonna go to bed. This hostel situation is interesting, but I'll go more into depth about that a little bit later. But guys, I'm so tired. Like, I felt like I've walked all day. So I'm going to bed because I've had 1 hour of sleep and it's not working. Makeup right now. I have this little mirror to work with, and I don't know whose stuff that all is, but yeah, I'm trying to like, it's kind of hard. So yeah, Joe is knocked out right now. Me videotaping and walking, I'm getting real better at this, but we're on our way to the thrift store, well, a boutique, a thrift boutique that this guy is staring down at me in this car. Okay, awkward. Anyways, did you see him? It was like all in the face. So we are going to thrift boutique to pick out some clothes for a shoot. So that's exciting. So stay tuned. Yes.
Is it too clown or playful? Like Marcel.
I love it. I feel like it's your style.
That's what I'm saying, like a shirt with that kind of pattern.
So I'm back in the hostel. I'm going to actually take a nap, just for a few hours. Then I gotta get up, and then I gotta go see my friend Justice, because I haven't seen him in a long time. Yeah. But so far, New York has been really great, and I thought the styling stuff came out really, really good. And I'm really excited to like shoot tomorrow, because we put together the looks, but then I'm going to be shooting tomorrow the actual looks, and I'm excited to see how that goes. I can't wait till I can move here and this be like my life. It's just so awesome, like especially like talking to other people and saying how long they've been here, and it's just an amazing place to me. It's like this wonderland, like this mystical wonderland. It's like, how do you live here? It's so freaking, it just seems so crazy all the time, but I actually like it because I just feel like I'm important here. Like, I just feel like I have so many things to do and so many things to take care of, and it's just exciting. It's just so exciting. I mean, it's nerve-wracking, don't get me wrong. Like, anxiety's on like 1,000 every time I step out of the door. I'm just like, what is going on? But I do truly like it, so wish me luck, you guys. So good morning. I'm just to do my makeup, and I'm waiting outside for my Uber. So we just got done with the first shot, and I was walking across that street, that real busy one with all those cars right there. It's probably like one car, and yeah, we're kind of DIYing it today. And you see this? It broke. Freaking trash. Trader Joe's bags. Come on now. You're supposed to have a warranty on you. So now I'm about to change my tennis shoes because these are like high. So yeah, thanks for watching.
No, you could. Okay, cool. So let's see. So take the shoes, kind of tuck, bring it out just a little bit.
So, we're kind of tired, but I'm talking with my mouth. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm talking with my mouth full.
Chyfox choose her food.
So yeah, we're kind of tired. We shot 2 of the outfits so far. We're gonna go change locations, but we're gonna eat. We're just kind of hungry, and I'm pretty exhausted. You exhausted? Oh,
Yeah.
I was sick. Had food poisoning. Was throwing up. Sorry to put you out there.
No, that's cool.
So
Yeah.
we kind of got delayed a little bit, but not too bad. We're still on schedule, so we gotta return the clothes by like 5-7. So
You got some food on your top lip. All right, we're good.
so yeah. So we're eating breakfast. Say hi, Justice. Say hi. Yeah, I got these waffles. It looks so good. So now I'm on my way to my agency thing. It's at 6:30 and it's 6 o'clock now. So hopefully I'm not late, but I might be late. If I'm late, oh well. If I'm not, I don't know. Okay, so I'm finally in my car. Feels like forever. I don't even know. I gotta pay for this parking. I don't even know how. There's like no signs. And I don't see any tickets, so hey. Y'all, I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. I didn't know who I was thinking I was, like Superwoman or something. But I'm like lifting the window. I don't know who I think I was, like, but I ate breakfast and that's it. And I just that's how I feel right now. Okay, we're gonna get home. I gotta drive about 30 minutes to get home, so let's do this. I'm finally home and look at this beautiful face that greeted me. And then Kane. Kane! Hey, say hi. Say hi.
Don't pee on my floor.
Aw, damn it. Alright, we're going to bed. We're finally home. Callie, come on, join the club. Come on in.
Nope.
Nope. Alright, we're going to bed. New York was fun, but I gotta go to work at 9. Well, I guess Kane has to go to work right now. He just ran off. But I gotta go to work at 9 tomorrow, so. Good night, everyone.
Wait.
This is China Matheny for the Weather Channel, and that was ugly. Okay.